I'm here at the downtown core, only a few minutes away from the Seawall, here at 13782 Seymour, the Mark. I've got a brand new listing. It's a 1-bedroom, 624 square feet, built in 2013. I can't wait to give you a tour. Built by award-winning developer Onni Group, live in Yaletown's tallest tower set in one of the last landmark locations. The Mark sets a new standard for downtown living with phenomenal features including air conditioning, high-efficiency Energy Star front-loading washer and dryer, sophisticated interiors, panoramic views, and one-block proximity to the Seawall and 5 minutes walk to the Skytrain. The Mark has this amazing rooftop pool located on the 9th floor. You also got a barbecue area as well as a gym, sauna, steam room, even a play area for kids. This is such an amazing building for you. What I love about this unit is the kitchen. You have this amazing open concept. I love the island with the white quartz countertops. Plus you have tons of storage, an undermount sink, and I love the cabinetry color. I love the oak accents. Plus you've got a gas range that's included in your maintenance fees, a Blomberg fridge right behind me. Plus you have in-suite storage that I'm currently using as a pantry, as well as a den/office. Imagine cooking, looking out into your peekaboo water view with all this natural light that's coming in for you to enjoy. There's 624 square feet of completely efficiently laid out living space. You've got a workstation here, the living room right behind me. Also, this opens out into your beautiful balcony that's west facing and looking out into a beautiful peekaboo water view with incredible sunsets. This building allows Airbnb rentals. So if you're an investor looking for a great return, this is the building for you. Plus, it's also such a central location. If you're a professional, even a young family, this is everything that you've been waiting for. Amenities features a 10,000 square feet wellness center with rooftop pool and hot tub. All this is set within minutes from Falls Creek Seawall and Sunset Beach. Welcome to your master bedroom oasis. This is really where you can get an amazing night's sleep. You can fit a queen or even a king-size bed looking out into your west-facing peekaboo water view. Also, you've got such a great closet with such an open concept, tons of storage for all your needs, and imagine sleeping here and really enjoying the night away. And here is your covered balcony that you can use all year round. This location is impeccable. You're only a few minutes away from Yaletown, which has all the restaurants, nightlife, and everything that you need. Also, if you own a pet, this is such a pet-friendly building because you're only a few minutes away from the Seawall. Plus, Skytrain is only a short commute away. Everything that you need is right here. If you want to take a look at this beautiful unit, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.